going to be so happy. Big color.
Bless you.
I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away.
Oh, this is
I'll be your lighthouse,
That's a word.
I'll make it okay. When I see your monsters, I'll sadness so brave and chase them all away.
Oh my god.
I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it okay.
Is it a hookworm?
When I see your monsters, I'll sadness so brave.
I'm sorry, but I think you like it better afterwards though. And yeah. Actually,
I don't want to pull it too hard. I don't know what's attached.
no, I understand that.
In the dark, we stand apart. We never see
Yeah, everything's
that the
bleeding
things we
already.
need are staring right at us. You just wanna
Everything's like a
hide,
brain
hide,
already.
hide. Never show me a smile,
Sleepy.
smile. Stand alone when you need someone. It's the hardest
You don't
thing
like
of all that you see are the bad memories. Take your
not a
time,
hook, right?
and you'll find me.
Try to. Yeah, but then we lose maybe the leverage to actually grab it.
I
You know?
see your pain. Tell me your problems.
Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry.
I see your
Careful, Vector. Oh, Vector, don't. No. No say. No. One of the swaps, the sterile swaps, would you like put them into the iodine and then we're just gonna try to clean it. So this is the reason why we do not need plastic straws. She's bleeding from her shoulders. They're completely different. Yeah, the thing is, I mean, I would just wonder how she can breathe properly without inside them. He said, yeah, I don't know.
Move it to the sides.
He said, yeah, like to kind of move it to the side instead of the front. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Oh man, I'm sick. Could Veronica, could you do me another favor and try to, like, in the yellow box is the bags with all the batteries? Oh man. And there's like one for the Olympus camera, like the bigger ones, one of those bigger ones that's in there. Just keep it already in your hand because my battery is going to die soon, I think.
Escucha trancada también.
Ah, but you have it already. If you, oh man, you have a little bit filled out already.
Hay que hacerlo sin lastimas.
No, ese es un poco a ver ahora. Oh man, show me please. I want to.